Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now. In this video, I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano in the last 1 hour. What's the price change occur in Cardano in the previous last 1 hour and the last 2 hour? What's the high price of Cardano in the last 1 hour, 2 hour? I'm going to show you in this video. So before starting this video, if you don't subscribe my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button right now and also press the bell icon for new video notification. Now let's see what's the price prediction occur in a Cardano in the last 1 hour and the last 2 hour. First of all, we see the last 2 hour result of Cardano. Oh my god, absolutely bad result in a previous 2 hour, but don't worry, now currently Cardano start jumping. As you can see here, the graph tells us that Cardano it currently start jumping upward after a great falls, as you can see here. Now if we see the changes of Cardano in the previous last 2 hour, so the changes is about negative 2.87% occurs in Cardano in the previous 2 hour, and the high price of Cardano is about $1.21% occur in a Cardano. That is the live price prediction. That is the live price change occur in a Cardano in the previous last 2 hour. Now let's see what's the price change occur in a Cardano in the last 1 hour. Let's see the last 1 hour result of Cardano. Let's see it's loading. So if you listen my voice, so please hit the subscribe button right now. Oh my god, as you can see here, at the last 1 hour they starting jumping upward. As you can see here, start jumping upward. So absolutely good news for all Cardano holders. What's your opinion about Cardano holder? Is it a best time to sell it, or is it a best time to buy it? Please share your opinion in the comment box. And the changes is about positive 0.919% occurs in a Cardano in a previous last 1 hour. And as you can see here, the change, the high price of Cardano is about $1.18 per dollar is the high price of Cardano in the last previous 1 hour. That is the last 1 hour prediction of price changes occur in a Cardano. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you don't subscribe my channel, hit the subscribe button now and complete my 3K subscriber.